Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to study, work, or immigrate to the United States with a degree from another country, then you've absolutely come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's a game changer for many international professionals and students: WES Attestation. So, what exactly is WES? WES stands for World Education Services. So, why is this so important? Let's break it down. First, for academics. Next, let's talk about the professional world. And of course, there's immigration. Now, you might be wondering, how does this whole process work? It's actually more straightforward than you might think. Let me give you a step-by-step overview. So, with other evaluation services out there, why is WES so highly recommended? To sum it all up, WES Attestation is more than just a piece of paper. It's your bridge to pursuing academic and professional opportunities in the United States. I hope this overview has cleared things up for you.